Welcome everybody to the big show where we answer your questions. This is your Friday drive-by. I'm Chris Collins and this is Christian.
Hello, everyone.
The number is 8333-ASK-STR. That's 8333-ASK-STR. If you have a question, we are happy to oblige and help you out. Let's go to today's question.
Hi, Chris. I'd like to remain anonymous, but my question is, we're looking for some ideas. We are struggling with some pushback from our technicians about working Saturdays. We have 5 technicians and put 1 tech on each Saturday, so 1 out of every 5 Saturdays they work. Hours are 8 to 2 p.m. Normally they will book at least the hours they're here, but it's always a struggle to bring in work with limited staffing. After their Saturday, they get the following Friday off for a 3-day weekend, which also hurts our production for that day and week. Looking to see what everyone else is doing. I would mention that we have a large express lane here that actually does fairly well on Saturdays. So the other thing we're looking at is what we would do as far as we needed for a parts department employee and things like that. Thanks again.
Is there a reason why you wouldn't leave your name for this question? Is it like one that would get you in trouble?
I don't know. I didn't.
People are just shy.
I thought it was super valid. I like the question. It's okay if they're shy.
Call him Ringo.
Oh.
Ringo, that's his name. Ringo. Okay, Ringo. Could we agree that it sounds like they're not committed to Saturdays?
Yeah, that
8 to 2 on Saturday with 1 tech?
the success ratio is thin.
Why? Be open on Saturday.
I would hate to be that tech.
1 tech, which means what kind of work?
Crap work. Oil
From
changes.
8 to 2. If I was a tech, I wouldn't want to do that. It's not even a full day.
They'd be better off being closed and just advertise technicians Monday through Friday, no Saturdays.
Yeah. I think so. So I got to question why you're open on Saturday if you're only doing 8 to 2 with 1 tech.
Someone told them they have to be open on Saturdays.
Here's the thing that I have learned. Saturdays only work if you commit to them like they're a regular day.
Yes. Effort in, product out.
The other thing that I've learned is whatever you think of Saturdays will become reality.
And oftentimes what you think has nothing to do with what your customers want.
No. So many times people have said, oh, this is our market, Saturdays. We have they're not a weekend customer, but none of it is ever true. It's what you want it to be.
And then it forces the customer to choose that way, yeah.
To the world, to the man with the hammer, the world is a nail, in a sense. Okay, so that being said, how do you get techs to work Saturday?
I would hire techs where Saturday is their day.
Yeah, so they just work Tuesday through Saturday.
Yeah.
So hire a tech that just works that schedule.
Yeah.
New coming in.
They're off every Sunday, Monday. Monday, they get the beauty of they're actually off when everybody else is working, so that to go out and do stuff is great.
Another thing you can do is pay more for Saturday.
Premium, that's good.
You're probably losing money on Saturday as it is, or barely making money, but you could pay more, pay a higher rate, and take volunteers, maybe.
I liked where he was headed with the following 3-day weekend thing. That was kind of an alternative schedule. So essentially, the only hard part is that you're doing your 6 on, 1 off, 4 on for your 3-day weekend. But at least I think the 3-day weekend is the right philosophy, or 3 days off is the right philosophy.
And then there's 410s. I would go to 410s and have Saturday be a regular day, personally. Full day.
Yeah.
Full tilt boogie. But I'd have more than 1 tech there.
Yeah, but you have a schedule where it's whatever it is, Wednesday through Saturday.
Yeah.
So techs get off Sunday, Monday, Tuesday.
Probably just listening to Ringo. You know Ringo was a drummer for the Beatles?
He was.
Probably hire a tech Tuesday through Saturday is probably your best bet. Because I don't think he's going to commit to it. I don't think he wants I'm assuming. But just hire a tech that just works Saturdays.
Right. And I don't know. I'd seriously think about extending those hours too. Because as a technician, it's just hard to get going.
I don't know how convenient it is for customers to close at 2 on a Saturday.
Yeah.
I have a lot of friends that don't get up until 11 on Saturday.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I suppose I did that when I was a kid.
There's still a lot of people our age doing that.
Do you think we're missing out?
They're staying out late. I don't. I'm in bed at 8. You know me.
Yeah.
I'm up at 4. I was up at 4 today.
I was 5:15. Slept
You're
in a little
sleeping
bit.
in.
Yeah. I gotta wake up to get up.
I jumped up. I was excited.
I have suspicions you don't always sleep well at night, though.
I love to sleep.
I know you do.
I love getting in bed at 8 o'clock.
Do you fall asleep right away?
Yeah, usually.
Good for you. That's awesome.
Okay. Well, I hope we helped you, Ringo. Remember, the number's 833-ASK-SDR. We'll see you next time on Service Drive Revolution. Thanks for watching this week's Drive By. I hope we gave you something to think about over the weekend. We're uploading new stuff every day, so make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss out. If you have a question you'd like us to answer on the show, call 8333-ASK-SDR and we'll answer your question on the show. That's 8333-ASK-SDR. For special deals on our books and training, head over to offers.chriscollinsinc.com. Now that's offers.chriscollinsinc.com. I'm Chris Collins, and I'll see you in the next video.